Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today we are going to be doing the DIY hair grease that made my daughter's hair grow super long as it is now. This has aided in their hair growth. I started using this in 2020. I started using this hair growth oil back in 2020 in Mila's hair. Her hair was like kind of bald in the back and it grew phenomenally over the past like maybe a year and a half. Using it consistently every wash day, deep conditioning her hair grew phenomenally. So I loved it so much, I wanted to give it a try on Malia's hair when she turned 1. And I used it on her hair, and of course, the same results. Her hair grew super long as well. Both of their hair are very long. Granted, some of the hair growth has to do with genetics, but I still think that a big part of it played with this hair grease oil. So if you want to see how to make it, please keep watching. Consists of a lot of, it's a DIY, it's just a mixture of a lot of things. Nothing of it is like homemade from me. I just mix it all together, and they all have different benefits for the hair, so all of them together just seems to make their hair blossom. I found all the items at my local beauty supply store. I do want to say one main ingredient that I say makes a huge difference, and this is the thing, this is the base of the whole hair oil grease, is this. I would not do it without this, and this is why, because I really think that when I went to the hair store, long story short, when I went to the hair store, I asked the lady, what can I use to make my daughter's hair grow? And she said, girl, this is working for many years. All you need is some Royal Crown. I was like, Royal Crown? She was like, yes. So I used this on her hair by itself, and it did good. However, I felt like it was too thick, so I thinned it up with some oils, and then this is how we landed to where we are going today, which is the hair grease oil. But this is the base thing. This right here is a must need, and this was $4.99. It used to come in a bigger pack, but they kind of changed the packaging. But this you absolutely need. Items you're gonna need is Crown Royal, BB grease. This is the extra light one. Another Crown Royal. Do Grow grease. This is the mega long one. Kids Sulfur 8. This is important as well. This kind of helps with their itchy scalp. And of course, some Blue Magic. Y'all know this is old school. It used to be really good in their hair, and it still works today. Jamaican black castor oil. And then all of these oils, these are cheap oils, but it's shea butter, peppermint oil, coconut, and pro-growth oils. All you gotta do is mix it all up together and put it in containers, and this will last you a very long time. I make this maybe like every 8 months to a year, depending on, like lately I haven't made it because they've been getting their hair flat iron, or they're getting their hair flat iron. So now that I've kind of stopped putting so much heat on their hair, I'm gonna go back to what I used before, which is this on their scalp, and watch their hair regrow. I brought these containers off of Amazon, and this is what I'm going to store them in. I thought these were bigger than what they are on here, but I'm going to go make a whole bunch of little ones. I really would rather big ones because it's going to make a lot. I just need a bowl and then a whisk, of course. You're going to need a whisk. You're going to just take it, and I just find it easy just to scoop everything out with a glove. Scoop it all into the bowl.
But what are we making?
Some grease. This is what I put in your hair.
Can I help you?
Yeah, you're gonna help me mix it. Go get the step stool. Want to make sure you get all of it out so it's empty. Next is the Sulfur 8, the kids one. Make sure it's the kids. Sit down. The Do Grow avocado one. Blue Magic.
Blue.
I'm gonna start mixing it together.
No,
No. Oh, go ahead. Alright, now it's all kind of blended up together. You can see it's kind of like a loose consistency and there's no more loose oils in it. Add the extra virgin olive oil.
I already have it.
About that much. And then I forgot to add the BB grease, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in there too now.
When you stir it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, hair grease oil is done. Now it's time to put it in the containers, and then this is good for the rest of the year probably. And there you go. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you use it, let me know how it comes out in your hair.